Are you over 50 and starting to wonder if your favorite summer dresses are still doing you justice? You're not imagining it. Some dresses that once felt fresh and feminine can suddenly read as frumpy, outdated, or even unflattering. But here's the secret. Elegant summer style after 50 isn't about showing less. It's about choosing better. In this video, I'm sharing 7 summer dress mistakes elegant women never make, and what to wear instead to look chic, age-defying, and effortlessly polished. And mistake number 3? It's the one that secretly drags down your entire outfit. But the right cut can make you look 10 pounds lighter instantly. Let's begin. Dress mistake number 1. Puffy sleeves that add bulk. Puffy sleeves promise drama, but after 50, they often deliver the wrong kind. Balloon sleeves, exaggerated shoulders, oversized ruffles. They add bulk in exactly the places you don't want it. Instead of looking elegant, the effect is costume-like, making it seem like the sleeves enter the room before you do. Here's what actually works. Clean, tailored lines. Dresses with graceful 3/4 sleeves, subtle cap sleeves, or gentle flutter details. These enhance your silhouette instead of fighting it. Think wrap dresses with elegant sleeves, fit and flare cuts with delicate caps, or a crisp shirt dress. They whisper sophistication without overwhelming your frame. Because true elegance is never about volume for volume's sake. It's about proportion. When your sleeves are refined and balanced, you look polished, confident, and age-defying. Sophistication always speaks louder than costume drama. Dress mistake number 2. Mini dresses that look like you're trying too hard. This one can sting a little, but it's the truth. Mini dresses after 50 often send the wrong message. They can make you look like you're chasing youth instead of celebrating the sophisticated woman you are today. A skirt that hits mid-thigh paired with strappy heels doesn't say chic. It says trying too hard. The fix is all about balance. Knee length or just below the knee is that sweet spot where elegance lives. A flowy midi that grazes the calf or a wrap dress that hits right at the knee creates instant 50. They rarely flatter in real life. These dresses grab onto every curve, every bump, and every line. Instead of highlighting your elegance, they spotlight imperfections that you'd rather keep in the background. But here's the truth. Looking sophisticated doesn't mean hiding your shape. It means honoring it with the right fit. Dresses that skim the body instead of clinging create smooth, flattering lines that look intentional, polished, and refined. Think of a wrap dress that nips gently at the waist, or an A-line style that follows your natural silhouette and flows softly over the hips. These cuts create balance, definition, and movement without restriction. And the best part? They're comfortable. You can sit, walk, and move with ease, and that ease translates directly into confidence. Because confidence is what people notice first, not whether your dress is tight. The most elegant women understand that fit is more powerful than cling. The right dress doesn't squeeze you into shape. It lets your natural grace shine. Dress mistake number 4. Loud prints that overwhelm your elegance. Bold, chaotic prints may catch the eye, but they don't always flatter. Busy florals in 10 different colors, geometric patterns that feel dizzying, or oversized tropical prints can completely overpower your natural beauty. Instead of looking refined, the dress becomes the center of attention, and not in a good way. The problem is balance. When the print dominates, people notice the dress first and you second. That's the opposite of elegance. Here's what works. Prints with breathing room and sophistication. A navy and white stripe, a delicate floral on a soft background, or a simple geometric in muted tones. These prints create interest without chaos. They complement your look instead of competing with it. Think of it like this: prints should be the supporting actor, not the star of the show. The best prints enhance your skin tone, bring out your natural coloring, and add refinement. A subtle watercolor floral or an abstract in muted shades can look stunning while maintaining that quiet sophistication. When in doubt, choose a simpler print or a solid color. It's more versatile, more polished, and sophisticated women don't hide their shape under layers of fabric. They choose pieces that skim, define, and flatter. A dress with strategic seams, a lightly fitted bodice, or a slim belt can create that timeless hourglass silhouette without a single unnecessary fold or bunch. Because elegance isn't about piling on details, it's about restraint. The right waistline doesn't fight your body, it frames it beautifully. Dress mistake number 6. Casual dresses that look like pajamas. We all love comfort in the summer, but too often, comfort gets confused with careless. Those ultra-casual jersey sundresses or shapeless cotton shifts may feel easy, but they don't read as elegant. Instead, they look more like loungewear than polished summer style. Here's the problem. When a dress has no structure, no detail, and no finish, it sends the message that you just threw something on. And that's not the impression a confident, sophisticated woman wants to make. The fix is simple. Comfort with intention. Look for cotton or linen dresses with thoughtful details, a defined waist, quality buttons, neat seams, or a flattering neckline. A breezy linen shift with structure or a cotton dress with subtle tailoring gives you the ease of pajamas while still looking intentional and chic. Fabric quality matters too. Natural fibers that drape well and feel substantial instantly look more expensive and elevated. Add in small touches like a belt, polished sandals, or a structured bag, and suddenly your casual outfit becomes quietly sophisticated. Because elegance isn't about being uncomfortable, it's about choosing pieces that feel good and look like they were chosen with care. Dress mistake number 7. Necklines that cheapen your look. Nothing can undo a beautiful dress faster than the wrong neckline. Deep plunges, overly low backs, or dramatic cutouts may work for evening glam, but for daytime occasions, they send the wrong message. At brunch, the farmer's market, or a summer lunch date, these necklines can look less elegant and more like you're dressed for the wrong event. Here's the truth. Elegance lies in restraint. A neckline that flatters without overexposing keeps the focus where it belongs, on your face, your smile, and your presence. Scoop necks, modest V-necks, and classic crew necklines are summer dress mistakes that can quietly steal your elegance, and the simple swaps that bring it right back. When you avoid overly puffy sleeves, too short minis, bodycon cling, loud prints, bulky waist details, pajama-like casual cuts, and necklines that reveal too much, you don't just dress better. You look and feel like the most refined version of yourself. Because elegant summer style after 50 isn't about chasing trends or trying to look younger. It's about making thoughtful choices, choosing sleeves that flatter, hemlines that flow, prints that enhance, and waistlines that define without fuss. These details aren't restrictions. They're the tools that let your natural grace shine.